if you own a RZR 170 that doesn't have a speedometer. This is how I installed one on my son's. You will need something to make a hole on the plastic. I used this kit from Harbor Freight. The speedometer I bought from Amazon.
I did my mark already. Just gotta put this right here. And don't be scared. Here's a hole. Got this off. It's just a plastic with a sticker on it. I'm gonna put a real one. This is what it's gonna look like. Just have to wire it now. My negative wire. Wiring for the speedometer. Speed sensor. The positive we ran here, that's your orange and red wire going to the headlight. I just need to zip tie all the wires and we'll be all done.